Hello everyone, it's Madi
Madison
with
Spectrum Art,
and we are continuing our Valentine's Day embellishments, right? So we had shared with you the playing cards. If you guys haven't seen that, we will put a link below. Also, if you're new to the channel, please take a minute and read the description. And welcome, of course. Thank you for joining us. So we're continuing our embellishments for Valentine's Day. And the first thing that we did is we went through and we searched the web for images, free images. And then once we were done with that, we actually put them into a document and printed them, scaled them to size, what we thought we would need. And then we printed them on cardstock. So it's the heavier, weight of cardstock, because we want to make sure that they're nice and sturdy. Went through and fussy cut the images. Yep, we edged them and we distressed them. Okay, and then we did a couple of little details. What's that?
Playing with the arrangement.
Yeah, we're gonna play with the arrangements, but I wanted to kind of go through them and show each of them. So this is the first one. It is a bingo card, and this is heart, and we have distressed it. Then we found these cute little hearts, and again we try to stay within those browns, golden reds, vintage, type of colors. So we're gonna keep this pretty black and white monochrome almost, with some red and a couple of little splashes of other colors in there. But this heart was so adorable. And then what did you do, Madison?
Glittered it.
You glittered it using what? Stickles. So she went through and stickled that little butterfly on there, which is very, very cute. Then we found these little images, and this one says Happy Valentine's Day. This one says kisses, well, X's and O's, hugs and kisses. And then there's a third image. Oh, I think it's this black one right here that says be mine. So that graphic came in a set of 3. So we'll see, maybe we'll use all 3, maybe some, maybe none. Again, just printed them because they kind of went with the color palette that we were using. Then we found this cute little heart with, well, 2 hearts with an arrow, and it's a circle. And we just used our punch and punched those out. This was basically, these 2 were the starting point as far as the where we were gonna go. This is a cute little girl that's holding a heart and says, "To my Valentine." But isn't she cute? She's totally cute. And so we printed some of those. Then we found some tickets to go along. This set actually came with this image set came with those, these, and then some blue ones, which we cut out, but we're not going to be using. And you can see what they look like before they're actually distressed and edged. But so this was what the image looked like. But we ended up thinking that these were the colors that we could possibly use, not this. So we went ahead and did those. And then we found this cute little envelope that says "To my Valentine's Day." And then what did you do with these? Glossy accents, right? So Madison went ahead and used some glossy accents right there on that heart. All right, so next thing to do, oh, we also had done what? We had gathered, yeah, some goodies. So show me what goodies you thought would go well with this. She got some bingo chips, yeah, because it's bingo. So again, we might use them, might not. You got lots of little different kinds of sequin. So we got these. These would probably be really cute because they're hearts, and they're iridescent, and some are big and some are small. They say love. Some are translucent. Some are white and say X's and O's. So we'll see. What else? Oh, more here. And what's in here? Oh, you got more hearts in here? Okay, she's got some more sequin in here. She's got, oh, okay, I see. Pink hearts, and the white and the red hearts. Very cute. So we'll see. Oh, that's one of those other ones that snuck in here, I guess. But yeah, these would probably be really cute to use. And what else? Move these out of the way. Some buttons. Oh, these are tiny, tiny. Oh yeah, there's some good colors in there. I see some reds. So she got some good buttons, and these are tiny, so that'll be perfect. And what else? What's in there? Oh, twine. Oh, for the banner, yes. So she thought maybe some twine to use on that banner. So we'll see. That's a good idea, Madison. Okay, so next thing to do is we're gonna go ahead and play along with the placement and see what works, what doesn't, move some things around, and then we will come back and show you guys the finished embellishments. All right, so we will be right back. And here they are. We are finished with our embellishments. Aren't these cutie patooties? So as you can see, we used a lot of the elements that we had started with. Some, of course, we didn't, but that's part of the process. You kind of had, right, all your materials, all the things that you think you might want to use, and then kind of dwindle down as you start putting it together. So we have our bingo card, we have our, twine, we have our pendants, we have our young girl, young lady, we have our bingo chips, we have our tickets, and then we went ahead and added a book page behind it, and then added a red background behind that. But here's the cool part, is that we actually need a piece of paper, Madison. We actually went ahead and, oh, this is going to be too wide. Okay, let's use, what is this, business card. We went ahead and created, oh, that one might work, thank you. Probably a little bit prettier. No, it's still too wide. We'll stick with our folded business card. We made a pocket right behind that bingo card. And then we went ahead and made a pocket behind the book page as well. So now we have a double pocket. So it's not only an embellishment. If you wanted to use it just like that, that's fine. Thank you. That's a little bit prettier, right? You could use it this way, but you could also use it as a something in one of your journals or a pocket letter. Let's see, what are actually the measurements on this? This is, oh, look at that. That was totally unintentional. 2.5, it might actually be the right size, by 3 1/4. So almost 2.5 by 3 1/2. So it's almost perfect ATC size. So it could be used on anything that you would use an ATC. But in a journal or in a book, you could use it as a pocket, because you could actually glue down 3 of the sides, right? I'll make sure I'm in frame. 1, 2, 3 of those sides. And again, now you would have a pocket back here, a pocket behind the bookmark, right? I mean the book paper page, and then one behind the bingo chip. So now you've got a bingo card, excuse me. Now you've got 1, 2, 3 pockets. You could also glue down just 2 of the sides right here, and then you could have it become a side tuck, right? This way. You could also glue it this way and then have it become a pocket going this way. So that would be neat. Or you can even use some washi tape and make it a flip out, right? Because we left the back blank. Wow, I'm having a tough time. Woo! We've all had those days. So we've left this blank, so you could do another image, do a poem, do a picture, or anything else that you like, and just have it become a flip this way or even that way, right? So lots of different uses, but now you've got the added bonus that we've got pockets in here, right? Again, because of the size, do I have a tag anywhere? I should, right? But I can't find a tag right now. But if you had a tag, there we go, there's one. Because of the size, you could also use your standard tags, right? And also have it go on there. So just about anywhere, whether it's a pocket letter, whether it's an ATC, whether it's a zine, whether it's even the paper towel books, this would actually fit on those. And if you're not sure what the paper towel books are, I can go ahead and link a video below of one that we had shared, or a couple of we'd shared, but these would fit on those as well. So there they are, and I think I already brought them up and showed them to you, but see how cute they are, full of all kinds of little details. Now, if you notice, there were some of the elements that we had that we did not use, but nothing ever goes to waste, right, Madison? So we got to thinking, okay, well, we've got all these other really cute things. What should we do? And guess what? We came up with another set that coordinates, of course, with what we've done, or can be used separately. So look at these. Look how cute these are. So you guys will remember some of these, right? You remember the heart that Madison had stickled. You remember the envelope that Madison had put glossy accents on. And now, oh, we got a little hair on there. And now we've got these cute little mini tags, which Madison was thinking about making hidden paper clips by putting a paper clip on the back. And they can either be paper clipped on here, or maybe on the side, or they could just be used, as a separate element on a page. You could use this as a pocket here, and then the paper clip to coordinate at the top, right? But they could also just be glued down as just a really cute embellishment or given this way. But we've got a small tag, we've got some twine, the same matching twine, we've got the book page, we've got a lovely heart, we've got the, oh honey, don't bang on stuff. We've got the envelope, and then we've got a little really pretty gold sequin on there, and some washi tape, and then some lace. So lots of little details packed into just this little tiny guy, but you see, nothing went to waste, and it all coordinates now. So we hope that you will try these, right? Yeah. We hope that oh, we had a twist, I forgot. Yes, Madison came up with a really cool idea. What we're gonna do is on February 10th, right? So they can hopefully receive it if they're in the States by Valentine's Day. On February 10th, we're actually gonna do a drawing based on the comments, folks that comment below before February 10th, because we're gonna do it that morning. So you have to comment by February 9th, let's say at night. Because on February 10th morning, we'll actually get up and we will do a drawing from all the names from the comments below. And what we'll do is we're going to be sending whomever we draw some materials, okay, to actually make your own. So not sure if we're going to include absolutely everything that we've used, but we'll include the majority of everything that we've used on here so that you guys can actually have a stab at making the exact same ones, or even better. Maybe, add some other stuff that you have and show us what it is that you come up with, right? Okay, so we will be doing that on the 10th, and we hope that you will participate, and can't wait to see what you guys make. But remember, everyone can craft, everyone can do this. We hope that you give it a try, and we will see you guys soon. Blessings, bye.